Ever opened your Word document on your phone and suddenly, boom, there's a random blank page messing up your layout? Annoying, right? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to add and delete a blank page in Word Mobile in less than a minute. Alright, let's start with how to add a blank page in Word Mobile. First, place your cursor exactly where you want the new page to appear. This part is important. Wherever your cursor is, that's where the new page will be inserted. Next, tap on the Insert menu. After that, choose Blank Page. And that's it. Your new blank page is successfully added. What's cool is you're not limited to adding a page at the end of the document. You can add a blank page at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. Basically anywhere you want. Super flexible. Now let's talk about how to delete a blank page in Word Mobile. If you have an empty page that shouldn't be there, here's what to do. First, place your cursor on that blank page. Then, simply press the backspace or delete button on your keyboard repeatedly until the blank page disappears. And done! The blank page is gone just like that. Sometimes blank pages appear because of extra spaces or paragraph marks, so just keep deleting until everything shifts back into place. See? Super easy, right? No more random blank pages ruining your document. If this helped you, make sure to check out my other quick Word Mobile tutorials. I've got more simple tips that'll save you time.